We're now at the Wellbeing Hub in Wrexham, which was the first place to actually benefit from the sensors as part of Wrexham's Smart Towns programme. I'm here with Stacey, and Stacey, you found a completely different use case really for your footfall sensors, haven't you?
Yeah, definitely. We had a footfall counter installed kind of September last year, and what that kind of data has allowed us to do is kind of map our quiet periods, which is great for us because lots of organisations use us who maybe citizens have kind of additional learning needs or maybe complex health issues. So it's kind of allowed them to have the use of quiet times, which has been kind of instrumental really to their kind of delivery of the services that they provide, which has been great because we are an integrated wellbeing hub, so it allows the services to be accessible for everybody. It's also allowed us to map our busy times, which has meant that we've been able to recruit volunteers to support us with those busy times. So we've onboarded volunteers for a meet and greet role to kind of increase kind of interactions with citizens, which has been great.
Fantastic. And you're quite a new organisation, so is this data also helping you model your services?
Yeah, we're a very new service, so kind of as our kind of activities grow, the footfall data we use to kind of map development areas, and those figures are reported to our partnership.
Fantastic. Have you got any plans to extend this, to gather more data, or is there any information that you think would help to grow the services further?
Yeah, definitely. I think that we're missing kind of younger people to engage in the Wellbeing Hub at the moment, and that might be because of our opening times are limited at the moment, but certainly looking to kind of extend that. So it'd be nice to reach kind of the data with regards to kind of a younger demographic, to how we can work with younger people around services that matter to them.